Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Teknoxone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to disable window update in Windows 10 easily and safely. If you are try of automatic restart, slow internet because of update or update installing at the wrong time, then this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We will use the Windows service method. Press the window key plus R on your keyboard, type service.msc and hit enter. Now scroll down and find Windows Update. Double click on it. In the startup type drop down menu, select disable, click on stop under service status. Finally click apply and then OK. That's it. Windows updates is now disabled. If the video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Teknozone and turn on the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.